In this video, I will show you how to turn off watch history in your Google Smart TV for your YouTube app. Let me show you how. Just like what you see right here, this is my YouTube account right here. How can we turn off watch history for this YouTube account? What we want to do right here is to simply make sure we exit from the YouTube page right here. Then you want to make sure you proceed to the Google account of that your Google Smart TV. So for that, go ahead and click on the Google account right here. Click on OK, and the next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here, proceed to manage account. Under the manage account right here, go ahead and click on the account, then scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down right here until you get to voice assistant, and the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on view permissions. That's going to take you to your activity right here. In some cases, you will be asked to log in with the Google account or the YouTube account of your Google TV. Once you log in here, scroll down right here, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down, continue to scroll down until you get to YouTube history right here. So you can see YouTube history is on. All you have to do to turn it off is go ahead and simply click on turn off right here. And in a few seconds, you have it right here. Then go ahead and click on pause. Make sure you click on pause right here, and then in a few seconds, just like so, then go ahead and come down below right here, click on got it, and you have disabled or turn off your YouTube search history on your Google Smart TV. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.